Hello everyone, this is DM2007. It is a 1999 Nissan Silvia Spec R. This car we did source for a client from Japan. So it is exactly how it came, other than we have detailed it and changed the oil. It is a great, awesome car. If you're interested in having us source an S15 for you, an R34 for you, an NSX, a K truck, whatever, we can get it for you. Shoot us an email, sales@drivermotorsports.com. Fix it. It'd drive me nuts if I didn't. Check out the trunk next. This is a factory bar, by the way. I love these taillights too. They're good. Real good. This whole car is awesome. I love S15s. SR20 DET. HKS. But yeah, if you have any questions or would like to know more about sourcing your own car from Japan, we can definitely help you out with that. Thanks for watching. Have a great day. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you want to see more behind the scenes content, check out our other YouTube channel. This one is specifically for walk around videos and inspection videos. If you guys have any questions about this car in this video, please let us know. We'd be happy to answer them. If you want to see specific things, pictures, video, we'd love to send you those too. Thank you so much for watching.